How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 66 Chevelle SS 396. Although this looks like an all original Chevelle SS, it is a clone. It's done correctly. See, all the bumpers been replaced, re-chromed. Super slick paint on this car. It's done in a Bolero Red. Real slick paint. It's got 396 in it, 4-speed. This car has had a complete frame-off restoration. Pretty much all the original panels. Super clean car. There'll be a full set of photos of the underneath on the website, rosscustomsmi.com. See, a car super slick down the sides. All the panel fitment on this car is just beautiful. Super nice car. Been updated, disc brakes up front. Got your power steering and your power disc. A lot of nice detail on this car when it was done. A lot of stainless bolts and things. Tell you, it's getting really hard to find cars this clean, this nice. So the doors are all nice and clean. It's got new door panels. The seat covers have been replaced. This car's got rear tilt wheel. It is an original bucket seat console car. Headliner's all new. See, the seat covers have all been replaced. It's got your front and rear seat belts. It's got the correct 4-speed console. Been updated with a nice Hearst Competition Plus shifter. It's got an M21 Muncie in it. Got 12-bolt posi. It's got a car cover here that comes with it. See how nice and clean the trunk floor and everything is. Just a super nice car. Rear bumper's been all replaced. All the trim looks real nice. It is the original Chevelle emblem there in the center. It's got a little bit of patina to it, but it's nice. Tell you, super slick paint on this car. Beautiful paint work. They did delete the radio, put a nice pair of gauges there. Looks real nice the way they did it. Fires right up. Got a nice built 396 in it. Got a Holly 4-barrel. Hey, it's just a super nice car. Sounds real good out the exhaust. It's a little cold out today. It's only about 32 degrees. Good sounding car. This thing's ready to get in, cruise it, go to your shows, and enjoy it. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day.